This 2025 Jayco J-Flight SLX 260BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 10 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J-Flight SLX 260BH is 4,810 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.